Oh, G&T, feel like I'm on vacation already. Hello, beautiful bag lovers. It's Trina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bag reveal for you. A few of you asked a while ago after I got rid of my Keepall 50 from Louis Vuitton what I had replaced it with, and that's what this video is for. So a little bit of a hint here. This is what I've been rocking this week, this bright cherry red Longchamp Le Pliage cuir, which I love. Highly recommend this bag. Great travel bag. It's ultra lightweight and it fits a lot, very long straps that are adjustable. I've been totally enjoying this and I highly recommend. It is a little bit bright for me. That's the only problem. I kind of wish I got it in black, but hey, I can always get another one, I guess. The only setback with this little bag is that it is small. So right now it's got everything I need in it. It's got a couple of pochette clay. It's got my pochette accessoire and a whole bunch of little bits and pieces on top of that. However, if I want to put in my sunglasses, prescription glasses, I can fit it in, but it's going to take a lot of fudging around, and also my agenda, which I wouldn't need on vacation. But anyway, it is a little bit small. And also the compartments, I wish it had another zippered safety inside it. And the front pocket here is where I keep my, oh my gosh, I have some Longchamp sugar in here, but it's where I could keep, it's basically where I keep my cards to get in and out of the apartment, but it would be really good if I could put my phone in there, but it's fine, the phone fits in here. Oh, I forgot to mention the phone. Yes, it's in here. So love Longchamp, and Longchamp is a fantastic brand because the quality is really good and the prices are half decent, I think. I think they're fair, and of course I always buy mine pre-loved. Oh, just dropped something there. I always buy my stuff pre-loved, so generally speaking, I do get even more value for my money. So I do have another Le Pliage tote bag. Let me go get it. Okay, I'm back. Here it is. This is the one with the long handles. They do come in short handles, long handles. Sometimes they come with attachments for the end so you can put on a shoulder strap. And they fold up, and that's what this brand is famous for. They're nylon bags that can fold up. I think this is kind of like Prada quality. Great for vacations, great for conferences. That's what I predominantly use this guy for. And it's very limited though. I don't tend to use it outside that range, just conferences really, because I don't really like this. I love this, but I don't like it. No, it's not the most attractive bag per se. It's very simple, but it's very functional. It does what it does, very lightweight, fairly stain resistant, very good quality. Yeah, so I do recommend it, although it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, basically is what I'm trying to say. So that's that. And what I bought essentially is a huge travel bag, and here it is. I don't think I can get it in the camera. I'll put it in front of my face. Woo! Okay, so this is, can you see how big this is? Now this is a jumbo size Le Pliage. I guess, I think it's I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna have to look on the website and I'll write it in here somewhere. But it's a giant duffel bag and it is as big, in fact it's bigger than the Keepall 55 because it's expandable. You can, let me see if I can show you here. There's a zipper on the side here and you just open this all the way around and then you pull on it and it expands. Okay, very practical. Now this bag, my friends, is pretty darn big. Okay, and I'm a big person. It's as wide as I am. And look at that. And this is a very good size strap too. It's not adjustable, but you can fit it crossbody if it's not too stuffed, and it fits just the right length on the shoulder as well. So I guess they did their research on this. So if you go shopping and you want to buy more, you can stuff it in this bag. And even when it's stuffed, it's not too big to carry on the plane. So bonus. Now when you open these guys up, on the inside there is always a little pocket where it flaps over. I don't find this area particularly safe. I think things can easily toss out of it, so I would be careful with using this. just little bits and pieces that you don't mind if they fall out or get lost in your bag. I wouldn't put my passport in there, for example. I'd want to put that in a more secure place. But it does have that feature, and otherwise it's just a bottomless pit. And this is made of nylon. This is a really nice print. It goes with pretty much everything in my collection. Very neutral colors with the famous riding horse and belt motif. Now, Longchamp bags do have wear and tear. It is nylon. I mean, any bag has wear and tear, right? This one, for example, has some wear and tear at the bottom here, all around, and that is precisely why I got such a good deal on this. Yes, I got a really good deal. I paid the equivalent of $30 US for this, so I'm thrilled. I bought my Keepall. I sold it for a couple $100 more than I paid for it after getting good use out of it, and then I got this one for 30 bucks. So I think I did pretty well with that exchange, and I love this, and I'm so excited to travel again, you guys. Oh, I'm sure you are too. It's gonna come. Here's the roomy but dirty interior. A plane just went by. That's another reminder that I really want to get in the sky soon. Obviously, people are flying, people are moving, but I don't see the point when a lot of my conferences and whatnot now are online anyway, and also because it's not exactly the safest thing. Although they do say it's safe once you're in the air. It's just the airports and crowded places that are problematic, eh? I've shared a few past videos on how I bypassed the problem of this flopping about on top of your suitcase. Obviously, it's not, you know, it doesn't have any wheels, it doesn't have any fixtures to go, it doesn't have a side pocket to go on top of the pull-up section of your suitcase. So you do have to, if you do want to carry it on top of your suitcase, you do have to get some sort of attachment cord or something to make sure it's stable when you're at the airport with this. Or you could just carry it on your shoulder. And if you carry light stuff in this, and you can definitely do that. And I think it is predominantly made for light stuff. But the way I travel a lot, especially within Japan, I'm always buying omiyage, which is like gifts for colleagues and workplace buddies. I read somewhere that the average Japanese person spends about $2,000 US per year on required gifts for workplace people. And these are not for gifts for people that they necessarily like. It's just part of the culture here. And I definitely don't partake in that so much. But when I do travel for work, especially inside the country, I'm always buying bits and pieces at the airport, and I need a place to put it. And I also like duty-free shopping, so I need a place to put that stuff. So this kind of bag is perfect for that. Longchamp makes good quality nylon. As I said, I think this is at par with Chanel standards. It's good quality. The trim is always leather. In this particular case, it's black, which is right up my alley. And silver tone hardware, that's fine. This part is kind of like a cotton rope texture. I kind of do wish it was adjustable on the one hand, but on the other hand, they seem to have put a lot of research into the ideal length, because it is pretty ideal. I mean, this is pretty scuffed up. I should probably clean this up a little bit. I'll put some close-ups of the bag parts so you can see what it looks like. And I haven't used it yet, so obviously I can't give you my experience of what it's like, but I have indeed looked at a lot of other reviews, particularly on YouTube, for people who do own this bag, and they've been predominantly, overwhelmingly positive. In fact, I haven't come across a negative review. So very pleased with this purchase and very glad to share it with you today. And yeah, let's get to some close-ups and we'll wrap up. although I haven't tried this yet, it would appear that you can fold this bag down too. Otherwise there wouldn't be this snap here. So that's good to know. Okay, my lovelies, that is my Longchamp Le Pliage giant expandable travel bag. We'll see you in the next video. Bag hag and frag hag signing out. Mwah.